Hi guys, this is Marinel Flores, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Manila.
This is the Mitsubishi Triton Athlete 4x4. This Triton Athlete ay hindi lang siya basta sasakyan, kundi isa rin itong investment para sa iyong mga adventures at pang-araw-araw na biyahe. Kung gusto mo ng sasakyan na kayang mag-handle ng kahit anong klase ng daan, mula sa matinding off-road hanggang sa mga urban na kalye, ang Triton Athlete ang sagot. Ang advanced 4-wheel drive system nito ay nagbibigay ng lakas at control sa lahat ng road condition. For the powerful engine performance ng ating Triton Athlete 4x4, meron itong 2.4 turbo diesel engine na may 204 horsepower at 3,500 RPM. For the max torque, meron din itong 470 Nm at 1,500 RPM to 2,750 RPM. So, ito ay nagbibigay ng sapat na lakas para makasabay sa mga matitinding road conditions mula sa mga off-road adventures hanggang sa mga pang-araw-araw na paggamit. Ang kinagandahan din talaga dito sa ating Triton ay meron na siyang advanced 4-wheel drive system. Ang advanced na 4-wheel drive system ng ating Triton ay nagbibigay ng superior traction at control kaya't walang kalsada o kondisyon ang makakapigil sa iyo. Mula sa madulas na kalsada hanggang sa matinding off-road terrains, laging handa ang ating Triton Athlete. Ang driver side ng ating Triton Athlete 4x4 ay puno ng mga advanced features na kayang mas mapadali at maging komportable sa pagkontrol ng ating sasakyan. For the steering wheel ng ating Triton, naka 3-spoke leather wrap na siya at meron itong mga built-in controls para sa audio, Bluetooth at cruise control. Sa pamamagitan ng steering wheel controls, maaari mong i-adjust ang volume o mag-dial ng number. For the ergonomic at adjustable driver seat, ang driver seat ng ating Triton Athlete 4x4 ay may ergonomically design para magbigay ng magandang support sa iyong katawan. Kahit nasa mahabang biyahe, meron itong power adjustment para mas madali mong ma-adjust ang taas, likod at posisyon ng upuan ayon sa iyong mga comfort level. For the modern instrument cluster, meron itong modern design at madaling masahin na rin ang ating instrument cluster. Meron din itong malinaw na digital display at analog display para sa speedometer, fuel gauge, engine temperature at trip information. Kaya't hindi ka mahihirapan na basahin ang mahalagang information o mahalagang data habang nagmamaneho. For the infotainment system naman, for accessible from driver side, makikita sa harapan ng driver ang isang modern infotainment system na may touchscreen display at connectivity options tulad ng Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay at Android Auto. Dito, mas madaling manavigate at mag-play ng music o makipag-usap sa mga contacts nang hindi kailangang maging abala sa iyong pagmamaneho. From driver seat to passenger seat, meron itong maluwag at ergonomic design na nagbibigay ng komportabling upuan sa bawat pasahero. For the seat material, meron itong high-quality fabric or leather upholstery. Depende sa variant ng ating Triton, ang passenger seat ay may mga high-quality fabric o leather upholstery. Ang mga materyales na ito ay hindi lang matibay at madaling linisin, kundi nagbibigay ito ng premium feel at touch sa loob ng sasakyan. For the spacious legroom, isa sa mga pinakakinagandahan talaga dito sa ating Triton ay ang kanyang maluwag na legroom. For the passenger seat, meron na din itong built-in na armrest sa gitna para magbigay ng dagdag na suporta sa mga pasahero at tinutulungan itong mas gawing komportable ang ating long rides. At syempre, meron na din itong cup holders at storage compartment sa gilid at para ma-access ng mga pasahero, pwede nilang ilagay ang mga drinks o personal na gamit para mas maging organized sa loob ng sasakyan. For the aircon system, meron itong dual zone auto climate control at ang Athlete 4-wheel drive lang ang may rear air circulator. The rear circulator delivers air from the front seat to the rear seat easily. Marami na rin siyang storage spaces, so it keeps the customer's items organized and there are dedicated spaces for different items from them to fit perfectly and not cramp. So, isa rin talaga sa kinagandahan dito sa ating Triton Athlete 4x4. Kung nalimutan mo naman ang charger mo at wireless charging nito kagaya ng iOS, pwede nyo pong ilagay dyan at kusa na siyang mag-charge. For the transmission, naka 6-speed automatic transmission na rin siya. It improves AT control that can add shift map and apply to various drive modes. So, this small circle, it is the Super Select 4-wheel drive. This allows the driver to negotiate the different surfaces and conditions with the reliable 4-wheel drive modes 2H, 4H, 4HLC, 4LLC for 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. So it gives the driver confidence to go through different terrains with ease. For the keyless operation system, for 4-wheel drive Athlete and GLS 2-wheel drive automatic, same sila na naka-keyless operation system. It gives a convenience to the driver when the opening doors and tailgate, especially when carrying a bag and shopping bags. So, enables the driver to lock and unlock the door without having to take the remote key out of their pocket or handbag within approximately 70 cm. For the safety features, naka 7 SRS airbag na rin siya only for Athlete 4-wheel drive automatic. Naka-active stability and traction control na rin siya. It helps maintain control of the vehicles on slippery roads or during rapid steering maneuver. And only for Athlete 4-wheel drive, naka-active yaw control na rin siya. So this also prevents vehicle to overshoot for safety. And for the Athlete 4-wheel drive and GLS automatic, naka-multi-around monitor na rin siya. So, meron din itong auto high beam, automatically adjust the brightness of the headlamps from high beam to low beam during the night and returns to high beam. Naka-lane departure warning na rin to. This features issues an audible alert, shows a warning to multi-function display of your vehicle drifts from lane while turn signals are not operating. So, meron din itong blind spot warning plus lane change assist. So, displays a warning signal in the side mirrors when vehicles pass from behind within 70 meters. So, the blind spot warning gives a warning beep sound when the vehicle passed by from behind within 70 meters. So, naka-rear cross traffic alert na rin siya. It reduces neck fatigue, also safety for the driver, passengers, vehicles from behind, and pedestrians from behind, especially children. Naka-forward collision mitigation na rin to. So, it reduces the chance of collision in cases when the drivers are distracted. Siyempre, meron din itong hill start assist. It gives the vehicle 2 seconds delay to prevent it from rolling it backwards. At last, naka-hill descent control na rin to. So, it stabilizes the vehicle's downward movement in a steep slope through automatic application of brakes without stepping on the brakes anymore. For the SRP is 1,909,000 at ang kanyang 20% down payment is for only 182,000. At ang kanyang monthly for BDO and BPI is 39,519 and for the other banks is 38,952.